Speaking about vectorization, vectorization simply means turning a bitmap image into bitmap or raster, then turning it into a vector that you can it will become from image to turn to an object that you can turn, you can change the color or change the outline. So this how it's done in CorelDRAW. We come to, for example, I have this. We come to what's it called? Bitmap. Let me ungroup this first. I can delete this or shift it aside. So, for example, I have this. Come to bitmap. Change the from here. Change it to trace. Is a trace bitmap. This quick trace. So this is the first one. So automatically do it for you. Can you see it? This is the new one. So zoom it down. You can duplicate this. See? Zoom it down and see. So shift F2. Shift F2. So can you see this? You can change the color if you wish. You can change it to blue. You can change it to red. This one can be changed to black or red. Or even use orange. This is vectorization. Let's go deeper. I can decide to delete all these ones. The next page, for this page. So outline trace is the next one. Example, this how we'll turn all this to this. Let's go there. Let's just practice it here. Can you see how complex this is? You can turn it to a vector. This is an image, a raster image. Turn it to a vector. Let me duplicate it so that we'll see how it is after. Can you experiment? Okay. So you can click here, click on the object, then you come to bitmap, and you come to name, outline trace. Let's set it to logo, line art. So increase the details. So it's loading. Can you see it's loading? Yeah, time estimate. So you can, if it's not okay for you, you can increase the details. The more the details, the more it will okay. The more okay it will be. So you can decide to change it to logo, depending on if you not give it what you want, you can change it to detail logo, papers, anyone. But I think 9 art is okay. So once it's okay, you can decide to change to remove color automatically. You can see remove color. You can set, but let's leave it the way it is. Automatically remove the color. So you can specify the color you want to remove. So this one is automatically, and you can specify the color you want to use here. So group by color if you wish. This was optional. You can delete original if you want, but by default, do keep the original. You want to delete the original, you can do it. So it's okay. If it's okay by you, it's okay. Then you click OK. Nice it. Yes, it. I'm going to delete this one. Then you ungroup here. Okay, let's click. Ungroup. Then you hold down shift. This is a trick. Hold down shift. Highlight the parts you want to delete. Or highlight the part you want to leave while holding shift. Highlight the part you want to leave while doing the shift. Then you delete. I see. Same time I plan to delete this one. This is how it works. So you might want to change this color to white. Change all these ones to white, shift. Overlay sheet. Overlay sheet. So this is how it works. You can decide to group it. This is how it's done. You can change the color as you wish. All this blue, all this black can change to blue as you wish. This is how it works. It works. So let's meet in the next video. You're welcome.